This is the DeWalt DW735 13-inch thickness planer. Comes with extra set of blades, and it comes with the panels. You can set it up. You feed your wood in this way. This sets your thickness level. It goes up to 6 inches here.
What is handles for on top?
The handles for to lift the thing. It's really heavy.
Oh, okay.
Comes with a little tool for loosening the different parts that you have to tighten and things like that. It's got 2 settings, one for finishing cuts, one for dimensional cuts. It is loud. I have to wear hearing protection when I run it. It provides enough output when it does the planing of the wood that you don't necessarily have to hook it up to a dust control unit. So I just got this extension from Amazon and a 4-inch hose, and I connect it to the trash can and it blows those right. It's all from Amazon. The table is separate. It was sold separately, but it goes with this DeWalt, and the top of it is bored so that you can mount it. This thing is mounted to the top of the table. And there is if you can come over here, you can see there is a way to step on it, and it makes it movable to make it easier because it is heavy.
It's got wheels on it.
Yeah, and then when you're running it, you don't want it rolling around, so you set it down so that it's stationary. I love it. I've used it to plane a couple guitar tops, and it works perfectly. Nice smooth surface. I just set it to what I need it to. There's a little gauge here. When you stick a piece of wood in here, it shows you how much, and it kind of warns you if you're going to dig into it and take too much off. It'll let you know. This is the start switch, but you don't want to take too much off at a time because it'll gouge the wood.
All right, so it's the DeWalt DW735.